Ayuda! Should you be your partner's first priority? Iyan ang matapang ng tanong ng isang netizens kahapon sa aktor na si Donnie Pangilinan na todo bantay sa ganyang girlfriend. Pero matapang niya namang sinagot, we have many priorities in life, so to expect to be a priority 100% of the time is ludicrous. When I'm at work, my job is my priority. So when I'm spending time with friends or family, they are my priority. And when I'm spending time with my girlfriend, she is my priority. I love her 100% of the time, but that doesn't mean that she's my only priority. Aminin natin na hindi lang sa partner umiikot ang mundo natin. But my partner, she's always my top priority. Ay, bongga, top priority niya daw si Belle. Ang haba ng hair mo.